Good morning, students. Welcome to part 4 of our chapter number 7. In the last video, we have started the exercise and solved question 1 and 2. Now, with the question number 3, discuss the effects of deforestation on the following. How will deforestation affect the given things? First is wild animals. How will the deforestation affect wild animals? They will lose their natural habitat, right? So their species will be decreased. Some will be endangered also, right? Next is environment. How will it affect environment? The balance will be disturbed, है ना? पूरी water cycle भी disturb हो जाती है. So environmental balance will be disturbed, and this may lead global warming and also pollution, right? It may also reduce the rainfall. So these are the effects of deforestation on environment. Then on villages, that is rural areas. Villages are closely related with the forest, right? So villages, people, they get fuel, food, fruits, everything from the forest. So if there is a deforestation, then their life also will be affected. Then cities. In cities, there is no direct effect of deforestation, right? Yes, but there are undesirable changes in the climate, right? In the hot, in the rainfall. ये सब undesired changes होते हैं due to deforestation in cities, but there is no direct change. The next one, it is earth. How is earth affected due to deforestation? The fertile land is converted into desert, right? And as a result, global warming is there, which disturb the season cycle. So in this way, the earth is affected. The next generation, how is the next generation affected? They will be unable to get pure air and water, the clean environment. ये सब next generation को नहीं मिलेगा due to deforestation. Okay. Question number 4. What will happen if we go on cutting trees? Same thing. The balance in the nature will be disturbed. Temperature will be increased. Some places there will be flood, some there will be droughts. Soil fertility will be decreased. These are all the effects of cutting trees. Second, the habitat of an animal is disturbed. Then they will become unsafe, they will become endangered, right? Third, the top layer of the soil is exposed. In the top layer, there is more humus and it is very fertile. So if you remove the top layer, the fertility will be decreased, and slowly and gradually that land will be converted into desert. Question number 5, answer in brief. First one, why should we conserve biodiversity? Why should we conserve it? Because to prevent the species which are becoming extinct and to maintain the food chain. Second, protected forests are also not completely safe for wild animals. Why? Because people living nearby, they are destroying the forest and harming the animals. So, third one, some tribals depend on the jungle. How? They are dependent on the jungle for their habitat, their food, their fuel, their clothes, For all these things, they are dependent on the jungle, right? Next one, what are the causes and consequences of deforestation? First, the causes requiring more land for building, for houses, factories, for making more furniture. These are all causes. Now consequences. What is the consequences? There will be increase in the CO2. So there will be increasing in the pollution also. Rainfall may decrease. Fertility of soil also be destroyed. These are consequences. What is Red Data Book? It is a book which keeps a record of all the endangered plants and animals. What do you understand by the term migration? When some birds fly from foreign countries during a year, when they cover a large distance due to climatic change, it is called migration. Question 6. In order to meet the ever-increasing demand in factories and for discuss and prepare a brief report. That you can do it. Is it advisable? No, it is not advisable. Why? You can easily write it now, right? Because it will disturb the cycle, the pollution will be affected. All the reasons जो इतने सारी बार मैंने बोले वो सब लिख सकते हैं आप. Next question, how can you contribute to the maintenance of green wealth of your locality? How can you maintain or conserve the green health? Green health means the plants, yes. What can you do? You can plant more trees, you can protect them, you can give them water properly, right? You can protect from the animals. And this way you can conserve. Explain how deforestation leads to reduced rainfall. Next one. Explain how deforestation leads to reduced rainfall. How? Because the plants are helpful in bringing rain. They give oxygen. If there is deforestation, then there will be no absorption of water by plants, no transpiration, right? Then no proper foundation generate for cooling it. So there will be less rainfall. Next, find out about national parks in your state. Identify and show their location on the outline map of India. You can find the national parks in your state, means of Gujarat. हमने देखा था हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक के पेज नंबर, कौन से पेज पे था? पेज नंबर 79 पे, राइट? पंचमारी रिजर्व एंड वो सब देखा था. ओके, नाउ you have to find the national parks of Gujarat and locate it on the map of Gujarat. You can locate the Marine National Park, then the Gir Forest. Question number 10. Why should paper be saved? Prepare a list of ways by which you can save paper. How can you save and why should you save? Because to make 1 ton of paper, 17 full grown trees are required to cut. So you should save it, right? And how can you save it? You can reuse it, you can recycle it, right? You should not waste it. You can write the points according to you, है ना? अपने आप लिख सकते हैं ये सब points. मैंने main points आपको बता दिए. Next is complete the puzzle. The down and across hints are given. First one, in down, species on the verge of extinction. What are they called? Endangered. What are they called? Endangered. So first one down, it is endangered. across species which have vanished, that is extinct. Second, a book carrying information about endangered species, which is red data book, right? Then third one, species found only in a particular habitat. What are they called? They are called endemic. Yes. Then fourth one, variety of plants, animal and microorganisms found in an area. What are they called? They are called biodiversity. What are they called? Biodiversity. Fifth one, it is consequence of deforestation. जो consequence match होती है वो आपको लिखनी है. Which is matching? It is deserts, right? Desert is the consequence of deforestation. So you can write deserts. So here we are completing the exercise of our textbook of this chapter. You have to solve the exercise of workbook at your own and complete this chapter. Next video we will start the next chapter. Okay? Thank you.